Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I want to talk to you about LoveSac, ticker symbol LOVE. I'm very bullish about this stock. I think this company has a lot of potential in my opinion. Um, so hopefully you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Really helps the channel grow. As always, please remember this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing my opinion, my thoughts, what I'm thinking. With that said, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are also new to investing and you want to learn about what companies to invest on, what kind of companies that are good dividend companies and growth companies, you found the right channel. I do a lot of stock reviews uh, of companies that I personally invest on. So if that's something you want to learn uh, and you want to join my with me in my journey of investing, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. With that said, let's take a look at this company. So LoveSac Company, ticker symbol is LOVE. It is a company that designs, manufactures, sells foam filled furniture, sectional couches. So if you can see from their website, this is what they are known for. This like bean bag that's supposed to be really comfortable. I've never tried it, um, but I can see from here, it looks like a very comfortable. The one thing I've known is this one where you can break this apart and then you can create it based on whatever areas you want to put it on. You can make it into this kind or this kind, but um, pretty interesting company. Um, so let's take a look at the Yahoo Finance. As you can see, at the time of this recording, it was up 19%. Um, so for the year, you can see the steady upward trend, and then it's just kind of like slowly stagnant. Market cap is 578. 52-week range, the high is 40, so definitely hit that high 40 already. We'll see if it still continues to go up. I think it might still go up a little bit more. The low is 399. So if you look down to the performance outlook, it's pretty much mixed. Now going down, you can see that they've been performing well, 4-quarter beats, so that's really great to see. I think that's one of the things that I look at when I invest in companies, as well as I looked at their financials. If you look at the last 4 years, the revenue has been going up, which is great. The earnings is going the other way, so again, that's something for you to look at. Now, if you go down more to the trends, it's a mixture of buy and strong buy, with the recommendation of in between that area. The price targets right now, it's just close to the average. I think in the next couple of days, it might go a little bit farther. Um, yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Now, if we look at the balance sheet, if you look at the total assets, it's 125. Liabilities is 35. Now, if we go down to the total debt, you can see it's blank. So now if we look at income statement, you can see the total revenue has been going up the past couple of years. So which is also good. So now let's take a look at the price targets. So forecast for this one. So it is 44 with the 9% upside. So if we look at it, the high would be 50. The average would be about 44, which it's going to probably hit. The low is in the 40s, so that is based on. And they also recommended a buy, so something to consider. So now let's take a look at Nasdaq. As you can see for Nasdaq, they do also recommend it as a strong buy based on these three firms, and they have a price tag of $44. So if we look further, you can see they're pretty much the same with tip ranks, high 50, 44, and low 40. So I usually looked at all of these things to kind of determine where the direction is going. So that's just my opinion. Now, if we look at Market Watch, as you can see, go down. Percentage of float short is 29%. If we look at the 5-year performance, the 5-month, 5-day, 29%. 1 month is 61. 3 months is 54. Year to date is 151, and the year is 178 with 7 allowances rating it as a buy. So again, another buy from another, um, you know, another company. Now let's look at another company, which is Bar Chart, which is one of the things that I really like. This company that does all these data. They also recommended it as a strong buy with 6 analysis. So they've been having it a strong buy for the past 3 months. So if you look at the chart, you can see 3 months is a strong buy, 2 months is a strong buy, a month is a strong buy. So it's been a strong buy based on 6 analysis now. So they all recommended it as a strong buy. Now let's look at another one called Simply Wall Street. As you can see in here, it's trading below 18%, which is under the fair value. Earnings are forecast to grow 74% per year. So definitely, I like that when I hear things like that. Now let's take a look at Robinhood. In Robinhood, as you can see, it is also 100% of the analysis rated as a buy. If we look down further towards it, you can see that 7 of their analysis rated as a buy. So they did earnings. They actually did really good in the earnings. That's why it's jumped 16 cents per share. So what are my thoughts in here? Oh, wait, let's take a look. So time of this recording, 1 day, 19%, 1 week, 28%, 1 month, 69%, 3 months, 49%, 1 year, 172, for 5 years, 61%. So my thoughts for this one is I'm definitely am a buyer. I will probably wait for a dip. I do think that this is a company that it will take time to grow. I think it's growing really great, but I do see another upside to this company, in my opinion. Um, so it performed well these past couple of months, and I do see that it will continue to do better. I think people will shop in these kinds of companies. I think that retail online, I think, is going to get more and more profitable, and I think that's one of the things that they do. So I'm definitely am a buyer. Again, but I will wait until a dip, and then I'll probably do like 2 shares here, 3 shares there, eventually going to my target shares of maybe 25. Again, I'm mostly a dividend investor, so I do invest in growth stocks. But again, I always make sure that my portfolio doesn't go beyond 1% or 2% of my growth stocks. So I want to make sure that my portfolio is still heavy dividend investing with a bunch of growth stocks on there. So hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching this video, you're really awesome. Thank you so much for continuing to support. Really does mean a lot to me. As always, please remember to be safe out there. Stay cool, and definitely keep investing, guys. I'll check you guys on the next video. Aloha.